All right. Fuel filter, 96 Geo Metro LSI with the 3-cylinder 1-liter motor. Okay, so before you start this fuel filter project, a couple things I would recommend. One, obviously, get your fuel filter. Make sure it's the right one. And then I would suggest getting some fuel line, because you don't know unless you've done it before, you don't know the condition of your fuel line. These ones seemed okay, but they were cracking and coming apart at the ends. So it's going to be a 5/16 inch inside diameter fuel line. And here's the two pieces. So I'd recommend just grabbing 2 feet to be safe, but that's all you'll need right there. And then maybe have some extra hose clamps on hand. One on there was broken. These are the originals, but a couple of them had to be replaced. So here's the driver's side of the car, just right here in front of the wheel well. And come down, and it's going to be, here's a mount for the rear control arm. Here's the fuel tank, and then right up in there is where the fuel filter is going to sit. So here's the new one. I got the new fuel lines on there. And it sits just right up in here. And this one's missing the, I believe there's supposed to be a bracket that holds it in there. I think the outside part's missing, but the bracket next to the frame is still there. It's right there. Now we can see it better. And you can see there's a little slot that shows you how the fuel filter is supposed to go. So there's a little slot for that ring there where this fits in. And then on the new fuel filter, it'll say the flow. So the flow is actually up. So this bottom part, that comes from the tank. And then the hose on top, that goes to the engine. And then, like I said, that little bracket, hopefully it's there. It'll make sure that your fuel filter's oriented correctly. Hope this helped out.